Has student loan cancellation already stimulated the economy even without wide-scale student loan forgiveness? Here's what you need to know. President Joe Biden has extended student loan relief for the second time this year. With this latest 6-month extension, student loan borrowers will get the following through January 31, 2022. As a result of continuous student loan relief since March 2020, federal student loan borrowers will get more than $110 billion of student loan cancellation. Why? With no mandatory student loan payments and no new interest accrual, student loan borrowers will save $5 billion each month, according to the U.S. Department of Education. This student loan cancellation is in addition to the $3 billion of student loans that Biden has canceled since becoming president. It's also different than wide-scale student loan cancellation, a strategy that could lead to upfront student loan forgiveness instead of a temporary student loan payment pause. Through student loan relief, federal student loan borrowers also will get credit toward student loan forgiveness for both income-driven repayment plans and the public service loan forgiveness, even if they didn't make any federal student loan payments during the COVID-19 pandemic. Will Congress or Biden enact wide-scale student loan forgiveness? There are several reasons to cancel student loans. Wide-scale student loan cancellation would help millions of student loan borrowers get out of debt faster so they could buy a home, start a family, save for retirement, and break free from the shackles of high-interest debt. One of the major arguments for wide-scale student loan cancellation is that student loan forgiveness stimulates the economy. The argument goes something like this: if student loan borrowers don't have student loans, they could have more money to spend elsewhere in the economy. Plus, when 45 million Americans collectively hold $1.7 trillion of student loan debt, economists have argued that it negatively impacts the economy. Here's a counterargument: there's been student loan relief since March 2020. Through January 31, 2022, nearly 90% of student loan borrowers didn't have to pay student loans due to student loan relief from the CARES Act, the $2.2 trillion stimulus package, for 22 months. While this student loan relief didn't result in outright student loan cancellation, not paying student loans is a similar economic effect to student loan cancellation, even if temporary. Without a requirement for student loan payment, student loan borrowers can apply their money toward other pursuits such as saving for retirement, paying other debt, or starting a business. The COVID-19 pandemic adversely impacts this period, although unemployment today is relatively low by historic standards. If there is up to $50,000 of student loan cancellation, the U.S. Department of Education estimates that 36 million student loan borrowers would have all their student loans paid off.